now your local on the 8th.
A winter storm warning is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 29 degrees with snow.
We're at the height of the blizzard of 2010. It's snowing heavily outside.
Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, snow and gusty winds. Snow will become heavy late, some blowing and drifting snow. Low 26. Snow accumulating 8 to 12 inches. And on Saturday, snow along with gusty winds at times. High 26. 3 to 5 inches of snow expected. And Saturday night, fair skies. Low 13. Winds north-northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Our week ahead.
And guys, the pictures that you send in help us tell a better story. If you see it, take it and send it to us. We'd love to put